Let's learn how to save a live photo as a video on an iPhone. If you want to save your live photo as a video but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the camera app. When you open the camera, you'll see several options. To take a live photo, the option located in the upper right corner of the screen needs to be turned on. You'll know it's on because it won't be crossed out. If it is crossed out, click on it, and it will no longer be crossed out. Once you've turned on this option, take a picture and move the phone left and right. After doing this, close the camera app and open the Photos app. When you open Photos, you'll see a page displaying all your pictures and videos. On this page, you need to click on the photo you just took. When you click on it, the photo will open. When the photo is open, if you hold it down, it will display as a video. To save it as a video, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on the three dots, a menu with several options will open. In this menu, click on Save as Video. Once you click on that, the video will be saved in your gallery, and that's it. That was a simple way to save a live photo as a video on an iPhone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.